So right now we're going ice skating. We're both ready, looking cute. There's Mr. Toya wearing all black.
As always.
I'm wearing color. This jacket that I made. This outfit. Sneakers. And my face is beat for the gods. Let's go. What she's doing is art. What are you doing will be annoying other people. Girl.
First of all, black people invented scat, so.
You're not black. I'm more black than you. Oh, there's a black person. There's a black person. Are you ready for ice skating?
No, we the only black people.
What do you think about that?
Oh my god. I'm sorry. I can't. You can take a picture. No, I can't move. So we can bust our asses at the same time? At least you're trying. You're better than me. I'm gonna stay here.
So that's the end of that video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for doing my makeup. She's available on Instagram professionally. I'm joking. Bye. Do you want to say something? You should say something. This is awkward. Say something.
Good night.
How did it feel working on this masterpiece that you had before you today?
It was so hard to work on the face that I had to deal with, but as you can see, I made it work.
I was already perfect, so she didn't really do anything. That's what I see.
Y'all saw her reaction when it first happened, so she said she looked like that since prom, and that was how many years ago? Almost 3.
How old are you, ma'am?
I'll be 21 tomorrow.
She'll be 40.
And she looks like she's about 9 years old.
So when I'm 40, 50, I'll be looking like if I'm 16. What is that? In here is such a mess. Like if pigs live in here. I like places clean. She didn't even take out the trash. Oh, this is not nice.
I know she did. You probably filled it up before then. Just, are you done?
Okay, so today is Latoya's birthday.
Come on.
I did my own makeup, so that's why I look a mess. But we're heading out to get some breakfast. And then we're going to come back to the hotel, change, and then go explore New York. This is what I'm wearing. Show them your outfit real quick.
It's a 1 minute, girl.
This is what I'm wearing. This is what she's wearing, all black. Turn around. Nobody can see you from the window. Okay, let's go. So because we're rushing out, I didn't have time to do my edges. So Latoya had to do them while we were in our Uber driving. And we're running a little bit late to her breakfast, which was at, I think it's called Roberts. Yeah, Roberts. It is gorgeous. We're on the top floor and we're looking over the whole New York City. Like, it's really close to Central Park. The food was amazing. The view was amazing. The service, amazing. But the food was just everything. The both of us, we had the steak and egg, and it came a little bit with potato. I wish I had recorded it. I thought I recorded it, but I guess not. But it was good. I enjoyed it. I can still taste it. The steak, I have never had a steak taste so good in my entire life. I don't know what they put in it, but trust me, it was amazing. And it was worth the price too. Oh, and the whole entire area is just so beautiful. It was just so colorful, so wide and open. You could see the whole New York. I wish I had recorded it, but I don't even know what was going through my mind. I was just amazed by the view. Plus, I was terrified because you can see all the way down since we're on the top floor. So I was like, let me let Latoya have that seat so I can sit back because I was such a little scary cat. But this is the little dessert birthday that they gave her. So cute. It tastes good. I did not get that. Time to come light the fire. Need to do what?
Take a picture with you two beautiful girls. I want to put it in my Instagram.
Girl.
Yes. We're gonna take a picture with you now. Give them a picture.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
There's bungalow.
Alright. Alright, guys. Hey, no problem. Guys, no break. No break. That's on my bike.
So when we were leaving the Roberts, we had planned to go back to the hotel and change since we were both wearing heels. Well, I was wearing heels and it was killing my feet already. So we planned to go back to the hotel after we were leaving the restaurant. But then this guy came up to us. I was like, "Oh, you guys going to Central Park? We have a deal for you guys. You can either not ride a horse, but take the carriage, or you can have somebody bike you guys around Central Park." So it was like, okay, let's do that instead of walking. If we had walked, we wouldn't visit all these places and take amazing pictures. So I'm really glad we did it. Plus, it was really cozy. I saw all the horses. It was cute. I really enjoyed it. But it was cold. Even though they gave us a blanket, I was still cold. Look at this guy. Like, why aren't you not in bed? But that's none of my business. Central Park is amazing. It is so big. I never thought it was that big. And it has such a history about it. I think this place is called Paseado. I don't even know what the hell it is, but we went there just to take pictures. And then after that, at the end of the night, for Latoya's birthday, we went to, what's the place called? Sugar Factory. I love it. I love the drink. The drink was so good. And the lady poured a little bit of alcohol in mine. So I was like, okay, that's fine. I enjoyed it. It was really fun. And after we had our steak, it was time for us to go home, but then it started snowing. We just got in our Uber and it just went back to the hotel. But it was a really nice birthday. Everybody in that room was having a birthday. So they just kept on coming out with drinks and then singing happy birthday, happy birthday. But it was really nice. And I like the drinks. The drinks are expensive. Why are they that expensive? But I still like it though. And mine, I had all the gummy bears, all this stuff to kill me, all that sugar. But it was nice. And the fries were good. I just didn't like the salad. I don't know what they put in that salad, but that's nasty. My drink was okay. It was a little bit too sweet for me though.